Hello everyone! Today I'm here to show you a special level from Factorio called the Tight Spot. Tight Spot is all about making small, compact, efficient factories on as little space as possible. Let's have a look. This is the beginning position of the level. You can see that except for the resources, all the land is taken by the walls. There are two buildings in here, the market and the chest. The goal of the level is to earn enough money. You earn the money by putting solar panels into the chest. For every single solar panel that you put into the chest, you get 600 money. Once you hit the start button, the simulation starts and your factory starts running. And then you have 12 minutes to make 19,000 plus whatever your expenses were. Your expenses are what you pay for the land. You can buy the land to build your factory on. I can click, make space for myself, buy the property, and the wall goes away. The further away I go from the center, the more expensive the land is. So this sort of motivates you to build a factory in the center. If I go all the way to the edge, it's actually quite expensive. And well, you cannot mine or craft anything in here, but you can buy stuff in the market. So I can buy some transport belts, inserters. It's pretty much everything you need, and I can build it the usual way. So this level is about making a space for yourself, buying things you need, building as little factory as possible that produces the desired product, and making sure that you pass the benchmark. Let's have a look at the factory that I already built. So this is my factory. Isn't it beautiful? I'm really proud of it. I spent like 8 hours building it. Let's start the simulation straight away, and I can tell you the details. So now the simulation is running. I cannot interfere. I cannot mine anything or build anything anymore. It's running at speed 1. We can speed it up or slow it down as we want. So I keep it running like this for now. I'll switch on the alt mode so you can see the details. So I have one assembling machine that produces the solar panels, and there's an inserter that puts it directly into the smart chip. This assembling machine is supported by these 3 assembling machines that produce the electronic circuits. And okay, the ingredients for the solar panel are electronic circuits, copper plates, and steel plates. So electronic circuits are coming from these guys, which in turn use the copper cables. So this is sort of the production line for the electronic circuits, right? I make copper ore here, smelt it, produce copper cables, and make the electronic circuits. On the other hand, some of it I'm actually sending directly into the solar panel assembly machine. On the other hand, the steel plates are produced in here. So I'm mining the iron ore in here, making iron plates, and smelting them further into the steel plates. Here is some more iron ore mining, which is used for making the electronic circuits. Alright, so the challenge in this level is about putting everything together, right? In the beginning, you need to sort of start by planning at a high level what is going to be where. It's like, okay, here maybe I'll be doing the iron ore, and where do I put the steam engines, and how many assembling machines for the solar panels I will need, etc., etc. So you start by this sort of high level planning, then you try to build a couple of setups, and once you are more or less happy, you do like micro optimizations. I spent a lot of time micro optimizing. You can see that here there is some funky setup which like increases my steel plate production, and well, pretty much in the center. What is important is that you keep most of your things in the center, because that's where the land is is least expensive. Alright, so I'll speed up the simulation to the full speed so we can watch how it unfolds. So now you can see that now and then there is flying text, the green flying text, which indicates that there is a new solar panel in the chest. And also in here you can see that the current balance is going up. Now we are over 0, and the point is to get over 19,000 within this amount of time. Well, I find it really pretty, the way it's moving, the way it's working. So this is actually my favorite level from the scenario pack. Alright, well, we passed the benchmark, we are over, we finished the level. It's not, Tightspot is not a single level, it's like a mini campaign. There's 5 levels, this was level number 4. Each level is a little bit more difficult than the previous one, and there is a different product you need to make, so it's quite challenging all the way through. Well, this was it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested, you can get more details at www.factorio.com. Again, this was the Tightspot mini campaign from the scenario pack. Well, I'll see you at the next video.